Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of October 12th through the 18th. This week's Halloween kit is the Kawaii Halloween from Organized Potato. It's so cute. I love that little cat and little Frankenstein. So super cute. The only thing I really needed was bottom washi, so I pulled these two to make up the bottom washi. So I think that'll be cute. So my plan is to stick the today's along the top and then stick in these and then the to-dos. I'm not sure if I'm going to end up using these or not. I am going to try to use the hydrate, so we'll see how it all kind of fits out once I'm sticking in the full boxes, because it tends to make kind of like a smaller section. So if you see, this kind of covers up the header, like two sets of headers, so it makes this section smaller. So probably not using these guys, but I'm going to use everything else. So I'm going to stick down the today's along the top, and then I'm going to put down this bottom washi, and then I think I'm going to just come back to you and we'll sort out everything else at that point. Here is where my basic setup stands. My lamp is trying to run away. I changed my mind, decided to go with a to-do list down here instead. I'm going to make this top section shorter. I think that's going to be fine. In terms of the sidebar, let's see, I feel like those two go together, those two go together, those two go together. Right, those two, so those two are like the oddballs out. I don't know. I like this guy for some reason as a sidebar guy, so I'm just going to use it. Oh, yep, that's super cute. So this one kind of goes with it. So I'm going to stick this one on Thursday. We'll have some leftovers, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'm gonna have 2 leftovers. So I'm gonna save. I think I'm gonna save the 2 bat ones. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. I might use one on the sidebar. We shall see. It must be like super crooked. Alright, that looks better. And I'm gonna put in cute little candy corn kind. They're so cute. They're like super creepy too with their giant eyeballs, but also like so cute. I like these kind of like cutesy, scary decorations. So I said those 2 are going to be my extras. Let's stick this one in here. Frankenstein. It's like a lot of green altogether, but whatever. It's cute. This is probably, I don't know, this might be my favorite box. So many cute things all in one. And this one. And go right here. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to stick down the hydrates up here at the top as well. I don't feel like I have that much going on this week, so sticking some extra stuff up at the top is totally fine, even with the already like shortened box situation. All the scrubby scraps are trying to attack me. The problem with this particular kit is that the spaces between all the things that I had to cut out are like very small. So then when I don't stop the blade at like exactly the right time, then it cuts those little scrubby scraps too. That makes it super difficult to pick up only the stuff you actually want to pick up. But it's fine. It's just a challenge that you face when you hand cut your stickers. I mean, it's like already dark out. It's like 5 o'clock. Do not like it. Alright, just a couple more. And we just kind of have to do whatever weekly plans are going on. Which is currently not a lot, to be honest. Alright. There's the last one. Alright, that looks super cute. For the sidebar, oh, I never told you guys where these are from. This green one is from Amazon, and then the black and white one is from Michaels. Okay, sidebar. I think I'm going to stick skinny green strip first, just to bring this color up someplace else. If I don't have a lot going on, I might end up pulling it in like up towards the top of some of the days too. I feel like it's in this like creepy green, but it's not like the main color. So I think I'm going to use 2 habit trackers. One to track Instagram and one to track workouts. I think that's going to be my plan. Stick this one in. Stick this one in. Like so. And I'm going to stick another. Yep. I'm going to stick in another of this skinny washi. There we go. Then I think I'm going to stick this orange with bats. Off the little scrubby scraps. They're just now stuck to my face. It's fine. I'm going to stick that down right there. And then I have just enough left to stick a bit of this washi. Almost should have just extended it all the way across. Huh? There we go. Alright, so that's the sidebar. I'm not even going to stick in like any stickers for that. It's just, I'm just going to write it and it'll be fine. In terms of the week, my plan is to fill in most of like the stuff I know just down here, but I am going to mark in work every day. So I have these 4 flags here, and then my leftovers from a few weeks ago from Planner One Love. I have this guy, which I think will kind of go too. So I have these 4. So I think I'm just gonna match them. Which way do I put it? I stick it that way, I think. Then there's like a little thing if I need it. Okay, still there. Everyday's like super matchy matchy. Oh, ruined the matchy matchies. There we go. So that's work every day. Also on Monday I have my plan with me. Also think I'm doing a movie night. Those days nothing is really going on. And over the weekend nothing is really going on. So I think this is my pre-planning as it currently stands. I'll fill things in with my iHow 0.38. I'm using this guy right now. And then I will be right back. Alright, here's the finished spread. Pretty much I just used the kit. I love how it turned out. Super fun. The stripy washi's from Michael's, and then the skinnier ones from Amazon. I used it here too. And then this flag is from Planner One Love. Everything else is from the kit. So super simple this week. Love how it turned out. Let me know what kits you're using still for Halloween, what you're planning on for Christmas. I'm excited for all of that stuff. If you're using other holiday stuff, let me know that too. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life with Liz to see in progress, finished spreads, tag all the shops, all that good stuff. Like and subscribe below. I would really appreciate that if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.